with high honors, award in work immersion, technical vocational education. Gila Lawrence B. with high honors, award in mathematics, award in science, conduct awardee, member of school paper English, treasurer of student flag. Cardelita John Reed S. with high honors, award in science, award in media arts, award in mathematics, conduct awardee, president of student flag, auditor of SSLG. Librero January Ninyo B. with high honors, award in science, award in visual arts, award in social sciences, award in work immersion, award in communication arts English, auditor of student lab, member of school paper English, leadership awardee, Senate Gold Medal Award for academic excellence.
Damo na sa akin tagbaw. Ay, one more sa kayo na sa akin.
Manuhay Maria Wella Joy T. with high honors, award in mathematics, award in work immersion, MMO of student led, member of school paper Filipino, conduct awardee, treasurer of SSLG. Miguel Chomari P. with high honors, award in mathematics, award in research and innovation, award in science, award in communication arts English, secretary of student led, member of school paper English, vice president of SSLG, Senate Gold Medal Award for academic excellence.